To set up custom notification sound on a Samsung A36 5G, you will have to start by opening My Files. So in my case, it's located in the Samsung folder. You will have to find this application. And now you have to move into internal storage. And what you have to do right now is just to select from Essentials to All. And you have to put the sound into your notifications. So in my case, I will have to find probably in the downloads. Nope. I've got the music right here. Yeah. So I have to click and hold it. Now I have to copy or move. That's your choice. But you have to basically go into internal storage and put that file into your notifications. Click copy here. Now let me show you that it really works. So we have to go into settings, then sounds and vibration, notification sound, and now when you scroll up and down, we will be able to find our custom sound. It will be probably at the bottom of the list. So just be patient, wait for it. It's somewhere here. Okay, as you can see here, we can find at the top, this is the custom sound. So that's how we can actually get it on your notifications. And at the top, you can also change notification sound volume.